love seeing pregnant and postpartum women in our office. It is our belief that every woman deserves pelvic floor physical therapy in the pregnancy and postpartum period. Birthing is a traumatic event in which the pelvic floor stretches more than any other muscle in the body. Our pelvic health specialists can assist in birth prep, prevention of tearing, and guidance with pelvic floor exercise. Your pelvic floor therapist will facilitate returning to optimum health in the postpartum period.
After I had my first child, they like to call it advanced maternal age. I had both of my children a little bit later in life, but after I had my first, I began to deal with some pretty severe hip pain, and everything was copacetic and really good. And then I had my second child, and that was even further along in advanced maternal age. I was almost 40. And so, your body's not doing the things it used to do when it was younger. And so I started to have some issues almost immediately following giving birth to my son. And those issues were some pretty extensive hip pain. And then what began to develop almost immediately and continued for a number of years was not having an ability to control those muscles down there in the way that we're meant to control those muscles. I would pee in my pants just a tiny little bit, sometimes a little more than other times, and I just had a really difficult time controlling those muscles, and it got progressively worse. And it got progressively worse because I didn't know what to do about it. Finally got to a point where it was interfering with my ability to exercise. It was interfering with my ability to play with my children. It was interfering with with the decisions I would make in terms of even something simple like how much water I would drink throughout my workday, because I had to be really mindful about how close or how far away a bathroom was.
So many patients are very skeptical about treatments in general for these common conditions that are difficult to discuss. Patients have had exceptional results after going to Progressive Pelvis, ranging from significant improvement in their leakage episodes, significant reduction in their pain. With Progressive Pelvis, I've been very pleasantly surprised with the amount of patients that have avoided surgery for their complex urological problems.
Here at Progressive Pelvis, we are trusted in the community and have multiple therapists to achieve your goals. Thanks for coming by to see us virtually. We would love to see you in person and help you on your path to pelvis wellness.